friends, running kimono here. So I did go to the Dollar General clearance event this morning. I hit a couple 50 stores and one 70 store where I scored a lot of toilet paper. But we're just going to go through this bite by bite at a 50% off store because I think the majority of you will be dealing with 50% off stores. And look at that tail going. I think she's pretty excited by this purchase that she made this morning. The two things of Purina Cat Chow Natural. She wants both of them. Hi, you want to say hi to everybody? Only able to find 2 bags, but very grateful for that. So we're going to go through everything, the prices of it. If you can find a 70 store, you're going to get a whole lot of freebies, but I know that's a tall order. And I'll explain the difference between a 50 store and a 70 store. And right off the bat, even if you can get one of these papers for $2.30 at a 50 store, it's still a heck of a deal for an 8 count, like hi. So let's get right into it. So in the store, they might have signage, or it's going to be in the app where the numbers will be reflective to a 50% off. I noticed that with a lot of the newer items that were supposed to be part of the clearance event, like POG items, they weren't even put in the clearance section or a special area. And this is all the other items that are part of it. Toys are a huge part. Lots of stores have these little cheat sheets. So if you're not really good with math, they have you covered. Now, the first thing we're going to talk about that I think everybody should be doing is these 8 counts of the Angel Soft toilet paper. There's a flower scent. This one is called Evergreen Scent. And then there's also an orange one. So at a 50% off store, this is where I really need you guys to pay attention. In the app, they'll be $2.85. Definitively, you know your store is a 50% off store. If your store might be going $70, the same toilet paper will be ringing up $1.71. So that's how I know the difference between a 50 or a 70. And you decide, is this worth your time to drive out to a 70 store? If you have one right in town, that's a no-brainer. But that's how you can tell in the app the difference because of the difference in the pricing. You can either look this up by typing in Angel Soft toilet paper and scroll for it in the Dollar General app, or you can scan this barcode. I know it's not a usual UPC, but I think this company, they make all of their UPCs like this. They don't have numbers on it, which is really odd. We also have a 50-cent digital coupon that is attaching to the clearance toilet paper, making it extra cheap. So we're going to look at the math 2 different ways. Okay, so the first one at a 50% off store in the app, it'll be $2.85. 50 cents off, it's $2.35 for an 8-pack of Angel Soft toilet paper. That's a no-brainer, guys. Go and score on at least 1 pack. At a 70 store, subtracting that same digital coupon, you're paying $1.21. I did not want to wait until Saturday to do this with the 5 off 25. Because I knew it would be cleared. So I did get a couple packs. The orange scented one, for whatever reason, I really like it. The tree one, and then they have this one called Hibiscus Oasis. So there's 3 different variations of this toilet paper that's on clearance. This is also part of it. So look for it in the regular toilet paper aisle or on a sky shelf. So the pink, the orange, or the green. Good luck, guys. The Batman body wash or the Superman body wash is ringing up full price. There is some sort of discrepancy. A lot of people are saying if you go to the register, it should be ringing up perfectly. I didn't try it. I went with an alternative deal to grab this guy, which is the deodorant, and it's ringing up clearance. This friend is $3. We have a $2 digital for either Batman or Superman. So with the $2 digital, you're paying $1, and here it is. Fetch Rewards also has a rebate minus spend 18 to get $2 back, and this is tracking. So yes, yes, yes. Also, if you still might have a couple of these, they are in fact scanning with a lot of the clearance merchandise. We had a pumpkin scented power wash by Dawn that is ringing up part of the clearance event, so it just made it really cheap. At a 70 store, all this stuff will be free, but at a 50 store like this one, buying 2 of them for $5.40, subtracting that coupon, you're paying $1.40 for the 2 or 70 cents per power wash. with the 4 off of 2 digital coupon, so you're going to have to load it. I made a video earlier in the week jogging through like how to do this, how to do that. I will link that also at the very end, especially if you're a newer shopper, but I'm just going to talk specifically about my haul and what I found. And yes, I was finding these Dawn Power Washes, and I found a couple at a 70 store, so I was really excited by that. This is one of my favorite finds as well. These Hello toothpaste, you'd have to track down 2 of them for $4.80. We have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. It makes it 40 cents a tube for this, and usually I'm dancing in the end zone at Walgreens to pay $1 for these. So 40 cents is so much better. They got a great long expiry date of like 2027. Yeah, like these are just no brainers. This body wash, couldn't find it though this morning. $3.60. We have a $2 digital coupon, so it makes it $1.60, and that has a quick expiry date. I believe it's expiring on Saturday. Vaseline for men, and yes, I did find this at a couple stores. It's ringing up for $2.10. We have a $2 digital coupon, so it makes it 10 cents. And often, guys, I'm going to let you know the first day of the clearance event, sometimes the cashier will have to help you. They'll modify pricing because things are not ringing up properly. It happens to the best of us. I bought this at a 50 store, and yes, it rang up perfectly for me, so I just paid tax for it. There's nothing better than getting free razors. I haven't seen this in a really long time, so I was very excited by that. And I found the majority of my haul at a 70 store, and I spent at least an hour plus in there. I knew the list of items I was going to buy, but also like I was just in there because they didn't pull anything. But at a 50% off store, even to pay $1.05 for this degree whole body, it's still a great price with that $3 digital. And then the cat food, I was only able to find a couple bags. If you can find this one with the $1.50 coupon, it's $1.75. Still not a bad little deal. Currently have a 6 off of 2 digital coupon, so it would make 2 bags of this $1.05, so like 53 cents per bag, which is a terrific price point. I found 2, but I still have a couple days left in the clearance event. I'm hoping to find more. And then I was also happy to find one of these Bic Soleil razors for 47 cents. Again, all the price points that I'm giving to you guys are at a 50% off store. Because I know that 70 store is a tall order to find. If you're more of an experienced shopper, I'm sure you'll be able to find one like that. But it's also difficult if you're new to this, so you're probably going to be in a 50% off store. And don't be shy to go in the regular aisles with the regular razors, because I found the majority of my stuff just on regular shelves. In plain sight. They were not in the clearance section. We have the Extreme 5, so 92 cents for 2 of these. I tend to believe that the men's razors work a little bit better than the women's razors, but maybe that's my bias. I don't know. I love men's razors. Friend is from last fall, and I found one at a store, so I was pretty excited. We have a $2.50 digital coupon, so it made it 20 cents for one of these face cleansers, and I believe this is scent free, so I've used this before in the past and really enjoyed it. And for 20 cents, I hate to keep saying that's a no-brainer, but I just was so excited. I'm really excited by this clearance event as well. This pack, it's a 4 count of the Airwick refills for $1.87. We have a $2 digital coupon. Again, we're looking at the price point here at a 50% off store. If you're buying this at a 70 store, I paid $0.25 this morning, so I was like doing a Snoopy dance in the end zone that I don't even know what I'm talking about. It's just really exciting. So load this coupon, guys, and start making the magic happen. And then the final item that I found was one of these large print calendars. And I sometimes need this, especially when I'm working on computers at 5 in the morning. I want to see a huge calendar, not something itty bitty. 25 cents at a 50% off store. At a 70 store, it was 15 cents. But I'm not bragging, or am I? So if you want to watch the video I made earlier in the week with other matchups, watch the video linked right here. As always, thanks for watching. Good luck out there, guys, and go and make these deals happen. Bye.